Hey everyone, it's Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle of North Carolina. Today we're checking out Griffin Place by Ryan Homes. And it's a brand new community here in Durham that's perfect for buyers looking for more space, modern features, and affordable price point without being too far from everything the Triangle has to offer. One of the things I really like about this community is the location. And not only that, it's less than 15 minutes from downtown Durham and conveniently close to Research Triangle Park, Duke University, and Duke Hospitals, as well as Falls Lake for outdoor recreation. And not only that, the price here for detached homes is unbelievable. So, if you're looking for a place with great affordability, location, this is the place. Griffin Place, Griffin Place by Ryan Homes is the place. So stick around because there are bonus that this community offers and I will take you for a tour. Hi everyone, I'm Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina, helping people to move places like Cary, Raleigh, Durham, and Apex. And also, if you've been thinking about moving to North Carolina or just curious about what it is like to live here, and of course, you're in the right place because I tour homes and explore communities and basically do all the walking for you so you don't have to. So until you're ready, maybe. Um, you know, just subscribe to this channel, hit that button, and tap that bell so you don't miss anything. And whenever, of course, you're ready, 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months, please reach out to me. I help people just like you every day. And I also love to help you. Hey everyone, welcome to Griffin Place here by Ryan Homes, and today we're going to tour this uh, Sequoia floor plan, which is about 1,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bath with 2-car garage. Come on, why don't we tour the place? Mind you, this house is really in a great location, which is only a few minutes, around 12 to 15 minutes to Duke Hospital. And if you're nurses or you work in that area, this will be perfect place for you. So, anyways, as you walk in, this is our half bath right here. And as you walk in, you are already greeted this nice living space here. It's so open. This is huge living area. Plenty of space for your couch or your sofas. And here's your kitchen right here. Dining area right here, cabinets, and then your stove. There's an option here where you can switch it to also to gas stove if you want gas. And here's your center island, and then your refrigerator here, your pantry right here, pantry space. And then the door here leads to your big, huge 2-car garage. You can see it's huge. Plenty of space for your cars. And also on this side will be your coat closet. Nice. And let me just mention to you that they have an option here to have a covered porch outside. This one doesn't have it, but there's an option for you to have a covered porch here, and even you can screen it as well. So those are the options that are available in this community, which is very good. Like in the summer or when the weather's nice outside or early in the morning, for added space or entertaining guests or added living space there. So let's head to the upstairs here. This is this nice, cute little landing area here, kind of like a semi mini loft area. I mean, you can be more creative in how you're going to convert this. So let's go ahead in here first. The 2 bedrooms here. Let me show you the 2 bedrooms real quickly here. That's bedroom number one right here. This one has a little bit bigger closet here where you can walk in, right? A little bit wider closet here, closet space for you. And then right here, there's a shared bathroom right here, full bathroom. Nice, very convenient. These two bedrooms here can share. And then here's bedroom number two right here. And here is your closet space. And then as we walk here, this will be your washer and dryer room. And then this home offers also this additional, oh no, not that space. Here's the closet space right here. Okay. And then bedroom number three right here. And your closet space right there. All right. So now I guess you guys are want to see the primary bedroom. It's right here. You can fit a nice king size bed, very large primary bedroom, as you can see. It's a good size. And then right here is your full bathroom. It has two vanity sink, perfect. And here's your walk-in closet right here. Awesome. So I will tell you the price of this right now in this location in Durham. It's so rare to get a detached home under 350, but this home offers that. And you can get a much bigger home also under 400K right now. So they have three floor plans that are available that you can take advantage, and they have lots of incentives available. So I'll tell you more about it in the next video. So after we toured the Sequoia floor plan, which is a 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 1749 square feet of living space and a 2-car garage, the base price on that, but guys, you won't believe it, it's $329,990 for 4 bedroom, single, family home, detached in Durham, North Carolina. So, you know, it has a great location under 350K. Can you believe that? So I think this home has a lot to offer that is worth maybe investigating. And if you're looking for a home that gives you that, like 4 bedroom, Griffin Place by Ryan Homes offers this floor plan. And they also range from 4 to 5 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3 bedrooms or bathrooms, more than 2,200 square feet of space. Also, there's a bonus for you that is also a great benefit that they are including all the appliances right now. So that's a huge advantage for buyers because it can save you thousands of dollars in upfront expenses and as you moved in. And also the community also features low HOA dues, and there's also financing opportunities available that can help you also reduce your monthly payment. So they'll help you to make the home affordable, which many buyers are looking for in today's market. So currently today they are offering excuse me, 20,000 towards closing costs or buy down rate, which is a huge saving towards your cost. So why don't you go ahead to call me, text me, send me an email. I'd love to give you more information, and maybe we can look at this community together and help you through the process. Remember, I help a lot of buyers locally and also relocating from out of state. So if you've been searching for a new construction home here in Durham that offers space and value and a convenient location close to major employers like Duke University, and also RTPs, Griffin Place is maybe worth checking. And why don't we look at it together? And I'd be happy to give you more information. So, keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion. Love it is the potion.